Good night, teacher. We are going to talk about how our childhood would have been different if we grew up in another country. I am Alejandro Villacres.
My name is Wilmer Laura.
I am Urrutia.
And I am Gabriel Cordova. Tell me, Joel, how would your childhood would have been different if you had grew up in another country?
Well, I think that if I had grown up in a different country, I would be speaking another language now, not Spanish. Another important thing is I could have been meeting many friends from different nationalities and learn about cultures of all the world. I couldn't foresee that I would grow up in Ecuador, but I love this country, and this means the possibility of changing my country of birth. And you, Alejandro, what do you think?
Well, it depends principally what country we are talking about. But for example, if I would have grew up in an advanced country, like many countries of Europe, my family would have a better economic status, and my brothers and I would have a better education. Also, we would have to learn more languages, and but a problem of this is the racism that immigrant people sometimes have to live. Wilmore, what's your opinion?
I would like it to have been grown in French because I have to study physical at this hard level in physical. I would have been working in research laboratory physics because I have to review the date or receivable interpreted or the radiation of the human body. Especially, I have been studied it in a courses of the flight because I have to like it to travel around the world. I meet the person, the people, the religious at the very meet dishes. I would like it to play in other different sports, that is extreme sports. It's possible in French that is extreme sport. If possible, it is, I would like it to study information that only a physical have to theoretically the lives of the physical. And you, Gabriel?
Well, I think if I had grown up in another country, I would have been I would have been completely different because this country formed my personality and also gave me a culture. This country, I love this country because I have lived in this country all the life. Um, but unfortunately, in Ecuador, there's not a lot of opportunities such as in America. Actually, I would have liked to grow up in America because this country has a lot of opportunities in comparison with Ecuador. However, I love this country because Ecuador it's like my representative country. Also, if I had grew up in another country, I would have a lot of different ideas or different criteria of myself. So thanks.
Yeah, I I agree with you, principally because I am sure that all of us are foreseeing to study to another countries to get better job opportunities and and get and have a better economic status than the one we have here in Ecuador. So thank you for all your opinions.